Hey, it's Lisa with not exercise with me, with Fossil Fine and Female. I get them mixed up sometimes, sorry. Anyway, I wanted to show you some of these that I polished. I haven't done this in a while. I'm excited to see them. I have 2 that were going. I gotta still rinse them off. Hopefully you're doing well. Today's Sunday, the 3rd of May already. Get this one off. These lids can be quite tight, but you want them to be, you know. This one has a nice little tabby. Doesn't mean it's any that much easier to get off, but it does give you something to hold. My goodness. Sometimes you wonder, am I ever gonna be able to get this off? Wow, go sling it everywhere. It's got a nice ugly grayish color that comes out all the time from the stuff that is those little, I don't know what they are, metal shavings, I guess. Let's see here what we got. Kind of makes a little bit of a mess. I'll pour them in that glass thing in just a minute. I want to get rid of a lot of this stuff that makes them shine. Oops, I end up using the hose and dropping the dang camera. Ooh, let's see what these. I don't want to knock this camera over. I got a hole in the bottom of this glass. Oh, that looks nice. Let's see. Let me turn that off for a sec. That one's pretty cool. See if you can see better, like over here maybe. Slightly, I don't know, I can't really see that well. Here's another. Looks really cool. It's one of those that had, you know, all those lines in there. I think those are so fascinating. I'm all humped over. It's like, pick the dang thing up. See, move. I can move this thing. See if you can, see if I can get it wherever you are, though. That's crazy. Pretty cool looking, huh? Yeah, let's see here. Not on me, on that. Here's a nice green one that I had found. I was like, that's really turned out pretty. I'm not really sure what that is. If anyone knows exactly or has an idea, leave it in the comments. I'm gonna look it up, but still you might know and put it in the comments. This one's cool. A lot of these right here are, oh, we got this one too. I'm kind of off of the picture here. These ones right here, these glass ones came with a new thing at Tumblr I'm using. This is another one I had gotten real cheap off Temu. And so these came with it. They're pretty cool looking too. The other, you know, there's just a bunch of these little green, pink, like they look like glass. They came with that tumbler. This did not. This is something I found. Looks pretty cool. Maybe you can't see it that well. You can probably see the mosquitoes that are flying around. Is that better? No, not really. It's kind of small. I don't know. That's what I hate about doing it. And during the day, it's like so hard to get the right lighting. Hopefully you can see that okay. So that was these. I don't think I showed you this one, but it's a pretty greenish color. Here's like a bluish, blackish color. Got some blue on this one. I found that really, I have a rock in there I think I'm gonna cut too because it has some blue. And it kind of looks like somebody might have written on it or something, but I want to check it out by cutting it, seeing if there's another one that I had found. Pretty colors. Okay, let's see about this other one. Get these out of here. Oh, there's a... So, see, they gave these things right here. They're kind of, I don't know, strange, but cool, too. Okay, now, gotta rinse this one. All this stuff has to come out. I don't know if you can see it. I was just gonna do all this first and then make the video, and I thought, well, maybe you want to see how it's done. I don't know. So that's what I'm doing, showing you how it's done. And what a mess you can make. You don't want to put this down the sink, that's for sure. But tumblers are real fun because you get them and you don't even recognize the rock a lot of times when it comes out. Okay, let's see. Wow, this one's nice. Look at that one. Thin, could be almost a guitar pick. These are all the ones that I had actually found, even this little ball here. I thought, well, I'll go ahead and tumble it. But look at some of these cool colors. Can you see it? I don't know, I sure can't see it. I can't see. Where are we? How aggravating. It's so aggravating. I got a bunch of these lined up. Let's see if you can see it this way. This one came from the other stuff. Yeah, that's pretty cool, don't you think? Okay, let's see here. Let's get it all and just take it over there. Maybe you can see better like that. I'll have to watch this and see if I think I should keep it and send it and let you see it too, because I've messed up a lot. And I can't really see if you can see this because I can't see. There we go, now I can. That's pretty cool. And this one is, it's like a crystal. Kind of a little crystal heart or something else. Pretty stone. The blue one. It's a cool one. And here's, I like these little ones. Now that they're all smooth too, that's even better. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that, and since we're out here, I will go ahead and show you these two. That, you know, of course, they're like these same type, length. Do you make possibly a tool? What do you think? I'm not really sure. Some of them I do think, yeah. Some of them I think it's just a fossilized something or another. That has a nice little concavity there. There you are. Not even. Wow, maybe you should be way up here so you could see it all. This one is cute. It has like a little face. See that face? There you go. But they have faces kind of like all over this rock, so I thought it was kind of a cool little face rock. I don't know what it actually really was a long time ago, but it's cool looking, don't you think? This one is too. Where can I see? Hopefully you can see. I can barely see. It's got a little place here where I guess it could have held a rope or something, but it's just a very intriguing, interesting rock, I'd say. This one too. Can't see it, can't see it, can't see it. Maybe I can see a little bit like that. There we go. It's very heavy. Looks to me like a head. And then the eye would be kind of like in this area. Oh, I can't. Right where you see the indentation there. Smashed in. Interesting. Intriguing, interesting. Very, very interesting. This kind of look like a tool. Don't get dizzy. I drop it. Kind of looks like it was made into a tool, don't you think? But heck, I don't know. I just think it's a pretty cool stone. This one's pretty cool too. Just like all of them, to me, are pretty cool. I found this too a while back, and literally it was in the ground. And I was digging it out, and I thought, what in the world? And it looks to me more like ceramic, not like a fossilized real leg, but it tripped me out. See? To find something like this in the ground, buried, that's all that came up, no other part of it. I dug around to see if there wasn't. Real interesting. It looks pretty good too, looks pretty real, don't it? It doesn't have anything on the bottom, it's just strange. Strange to find. But I'm pretty sure it's just something broken like that. But these days, who knows what's real? There's just so many lies and deception. That kind of look like a tool, right? But it may not be. It might just be a fossilized something, another laying there and smashed like that. Interesting. It looks like it could have been a tool. It could have been used for something. It's got a pretty sharp side there and a pointy side. Anyway, I just wanted to show you these while we were out here. Might as well. I had laid them out for that. Aren't these like the colors and stuff so cool? I don't need it right in my face. Do you think this is just like a tool, or you think it's just a geofact? They say just something made in the earth over time, or do you think it was something fossilized, or both, or all three? Whatever. I don't think it'd be all three, because geofacts are like not biological at all, they say, which I don't buy that. I'm trying to get where I can see this thing. There we go, so you can see it. It's frustrating, but I'm sticking with it. Here's another very interesting, possibly a tool. Kind of looks like one, huh? But then again, it could have just been a flying bird, fossilized like that. Huh, I say, things that make you go, Nice white one. A mosquito thought it was going to land on my hand, and no, it's not. Those things are already bad. It's ridiculous. And, you know, they've been putting those out, like Bill Gates put a bunch of them out so that they can put certain things inside us, which is very frustrating, but we have to be protected by our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. This one looked like a tool also. Or what do you think? I'd like to hear your suggestions. Do you believe the Main Street story that this is all just stuff that's made by hot firing volcanoes and, you know, that kind of stuff? Just natural geofacts that just look like certain heads of animals, or they made them, you know, to make them. I don't believe that one bit. If you look at a bunch of these and you start to see things in them that I just don't believe it. How can we have a flood And then all the stuff that would fossilize, not fossilize. It just makes no sense. And if things don't make sense on our godly sense, like, you know, our senses that God gave us, if they don't make sense, and they're not right. They're lying. They're just trying to lie to us. We can't fall for it. Anyway, that's enough of my venting. Sorry, sometimes, you know, it gets kind of frustrating living in this world when you see all this crap going on. And yeah, it's just wild. All this, you know, separation. This, as long as they divide us, then we are not as powerful. We got to stick together. I hope you agree, but if not, I'd love to hear your opinion on this situation we have going on, or these lovely rocks. I think this right here is feathers. That's fossilized feathers. Let me get to where you can see it better. See how the layer is in there? There we go. Doesn't that look like hair? It sure does to me, and it is hair, in my humble opinion, and I'm not sure exactly what this could have been, but that right there looks most definitely like hair, fossilized. An interesting piece too. Guess I should get off here. I got more work to do. But anyway, I wanted to show you these. Some of these. This one's a real cool one too. It's puzzling, you know. It's like, what in the world? It looks like they could have put something through there, like a rope or something. If you know, please leave it in the comments, or if you think you know, or, you know, you have some idea of what it might be, leave it in the comment. That'd be great to hear from you. And I do thank you for watching with me, or looking with me. This is also I wanted to show you this one before we go, because I thought it was really interesting. Sorry I didn't get them wet this time, but next time I will. Cool. These are just so cool to me. I mean, it's wild, wild, wild. Anyway, have a wonderful rest of your Sunday. God bless and goodbye. If you would like to like and subscribe, do, and leave a comment. Okay, bye.